Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel PC Guide for You. In this following video, I will let you know that how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported hardware PCs. If your PC telling you this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 requirements, but you still want to upgrade to Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a safe and working method to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 even on unsupported hardware computers. And the best part, you won't lose your files, you won't need any risky hacks, and this process works for almost on any older PC. I have personally tested this on my personal laptop, which is around 7 to 8 years old HP laptop, and I'm just demonstrating this on your screen as of now, and it works perfectly as long as you follow the steps exactly. By the end of this video, you will know how to bypass TPM, CPU and secure boot checks, and you don't need to create any bootable pen drive or flash drive to upgrade it to Windows 11. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I would like to show you that what I'm using here currently. So you can see as of now on my screen, I'm using Windows 10, which is Home Single Language Edition of this Windows. So when I was looking at the system requirements, so it says this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 requirements, and in that my processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11, and because I'm using a Core i5-7200U CPU and it's not supported for Windows 11. Rather than other all checks are clear, but in your case you might be facing issue with that support secure boot error or your TPM 2.0 is not enabled. So in any case, you can follow this video and it will help you to install or upgrade to Windows 11 on your PC. To begin with, what you need here, you need some tools. So I'll post the links down to the video description so you will get the direct access to the links over there. So first thing you need to do, this is the PC health checkup. You can check that PC health, the system requirements of your computer by using that. So I will also drop this link on the video description. So here's the one, you just click on it and download that and install. It's a very small app by Microsoft, and you will see the system requirements, what is failing for you. You need to download the Windows 11 ISO image. So this is the page. I will drop a link in the video description. You have to come here and select that Windows 11 multi edition ISO and then confirm. Now product language, all right, choose your language, confirm, and here you can see that 64-bit download. So once you click on it, you will get the ISO start downloading on your system, like it's for me here. So I'm just canceling it because I did that already on my system, so I'm not gonna repeat that. So this may take some time depending on internet speed. And once you're done, so let me just close this, close it and close it. So I have also created a folder here, Windows 11. When you get both things, just check your system requirements first, and then we need to get into the ISO. When you're on this page, just right click on it and you will see an option here, mount. Click on mount and open. Once you do that, it will create another drive on your system drives. You can see here like that. So once you open that, copy all of them. Make sure you do not leave any file or folder, just copy all of them. Go to your C drive. Now create here another folder, like that, new folder, and then type any name. Let me type Windows 11 upgrade. And then paste all the files inside that folder, the one we copied in the previous step. Alright, so now we got all the files here into this folder. So we need to navigate to the folder which is sources. Double click and open that. We have this sources folder here, and we need to locate the file which is, so this is the file application that we need to bring up, but not from here. We need to use command prompt. So In order to open the command prompt, type here cmd and make sure that you open it with admin, so run as an administrator. So once it is open, copy the path from the folder, this one, right click, copy, go back to the command prompt. On the command prompt, type here cd and then paste path that we copied like that and hit enter. So we now in the command prompt we are in the directory sources. Now type here setup prep.exe product server. So once you're done with this command, make sure this is case sensitive and then hit enter. So it's now processing. You can see that preparing. So let's wait for it. So now when you see this screen, that means it bypass all the hardware checks on your computer system and it directly get into this screen. So just ignore the Windows Server, but this will install Windows 11 only, don't worry. And all right, let me just uncheck next, checking for updates. All right, now we are here, applicable notice and license terms, accept it. Okay, now here's three options we have. Choose what to keep. Keep file settings and apps, keep personal files only, nothing. So I'll go with keep files, settings and apps. So you will not gonna lose anything from your system. Click next once you're done. All right, now it says ready to install Windows 11 Home Single Language, keep file settings and apps. So we are good here now. So let's continue to install. The process has been started now, and your PC will restart several times during this process, and it may take around 30 minutes or more depending on your system configuration. So I'll see you at the end. Alright, so we are now back into the login screen. It's rebooted and back end. So let me just go ahead and just sign in. Alright, putting my password. Okay, I'm in. So I can see that everything is in place. My previous folders and files are intact, and the interface has been changed now from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, we can see a little cool interface which indicates the Windows 11 centralized. And just to check, I'm just going back to the settings of Windows 11. Okay, going to the system, navigating to the about section down below. Alright, so this is my device specifications, and if I just go down, Windows specifications, you can see here the edition. Now it's upgraded to the Windows 11 Home Single Language. Earlier it was Windows 10 Home Single Language. So the version that I'm using right now, it's 25H2, which is the latest version of Windows 11, and it's working fine for me as of now. This is the CPU which was not supported earlier, but we bypassed this hardware checks of this PC, and we are in Windows 11 now. So everything looks good, and this is how you can easily install or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 in any one of your unsupported hardware PCs. I hope you like this video. If you found this useful, just please drop a comment on the video section below, and if you have any problem, let me know. I can try to solve this for you. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye bye. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.